That's right, guys. I'm gonna be doing a cow-only video. So if you don't know how this is gonna work, I can only use guns that I have the cow wrap on. And you'll see those in the video. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Guys, second match. King Kong and a Battle Commando.
Just so you know, I'm hiding on my main account.
You know what? We gotta go the cow map. We gotta go the cow map. Oh, dang. Dang it. Bro, farm is perfect.
Match starting.
You know, I didn't use Deagle that round at all.
Yeah, Deagle's actually kind of...
Round starting.
Yo, I got him low. He's low, but he needs a shotgun. Alright, nice. I'm kind of selling.
Nah, you're fine.
Right.
Team chat.
Oh yeah, team.
Round starting.
What's up? Nice.
Yes.
Holy beam with SMG.
I am now in my prime.
Yo, I also got the cow bell thingies.
No, oh yeah, I have
Starting.
gold.
I wanted the gold one.
Oh my. Yo, I'm so...
Bro, I'm trying to break
You know what?
this part of my thingy. It's hitting my finger.
Got a lot.
Round starting.
Oh, yes. Nice. I feel like I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna grind till Apex. Yo, how much more levels for me?
I'm not sure what your rank is, but oh, nice, you killed one. Nice. That's all we need. No!
Yo, it's alright.
He was 8 HP.
I didn't hit any.
Nah, you're fine. He was 8 HP, bro.
Round starting.
One.
Oh my. Yo, he's one, bro. I got him solo.
Nice.
Yes. Alright. I gotta lock in and not die.
First match we're about to win. Let's go.
Round starting.
No, I'm dead. Nice. Against an Apex Prince and a Titan Sim.
I should win, but it's gonna be a little hard.
Dang it.
So,
Match starting.
see if it works.
Team chat, if crossbow's not doing good, I'm gonna switch. Team chat, I got team chat.
Round starting.
$80 on him.
Good. I did not hit you with crossbow, I missed. Oh yeah.
I have 200. Oh yeah, I have 280.
Alright, I think we have this from that first round. We did pretty good.
Round starting.
So, here's...
Yeah. He's low. Nice!
Yo, I'm cooking.
Nice!
Yo, crossbow, I'm doing good. It's just a little slow.
Yeah, but
So I'm
that's so
saving up
nice. I mean,
my money
crossbows really
for some
fast.
bundles.
Round starting.
48.
Yo, I did
100?
not do any damage.
Sorry, because I did.
Yo, I sold. Yo, you just did freaking 400 damage.
Yep.
That's crazy.
But good thing is, because you were the distraction,
Yeah.
I beamed both of them.
Round starting.
116. Nice, dead.
80. Got 80. Nice. Yeah, I got 95 on the one with my crossbow, then 80.
Yeah. Hey, you're doing really good, though. We
Yeah,
both
I just
have
needed a
almost
warm-up.
exactly
Round starting.
our damages for our kill percentages.
Yeah, I did damage.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.